Lots of signs for animals. This is Trevor from Fun and Sign Life. Long neck. Dinosaur, long neck. Yep, dinosaur with a long neck. A butterfly. Sign for butterfly. Oh, wonderful. Tiger. Sign for tiger. Excellent. Polar bear. Bear, white bear. Excellent. Oh. Let him see him up close. What's this guy look like? Ooh, vulture.
Here, I told you. See, I told you.
You're just so good at this, buddy.
Bug.
A bug. It's an ugly bug. Ooh, a moose.
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 Moose. A wolf.
A wolf.
Wolf.
I love wolf.
You love wolves? Very good. Oh, the seal. Seal. Good one. You know so many signs. A dragon. Dragon. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Awesome job, Trevor. Shark. Ooh, a shark. Is it a mean shark or a nice shark?
Nice shark.
Nice shark. Good job, Trevor. That was a lot of animal signs. Thank you for teaching us all of those animal signs today. Bye. Signing off. Trevor from Fun and Sign Life.